Today we'll be looking at the Salter citrus juicer. So let's open it up, and inside here at the top you've got the welcome to the Salter family and a QR code to scan. Very minimal packaging, so let's take this out. In the box you just have this, and then you have the instruction manual as well. So very minimal. One thing I really like is how everything is either card or paper in terms of the packaging. So we've got a card on the plug, and then we've got this paper wrapping on the actual juicer itself. So pretty nice. And then we've got the lid, which we can take off, and there's the last piece of paper here. So we have this lid, which is basically what you'd put on to keep things fresh or hygienic. Next we have the juicing cone. This goes on top of the smaller one, so it's larger, and then the smaller one is attached to the juicing filter and it rotates. Then you have the overall base and the jug itself. So the jug is 500 milliliters, and then you have the citrus juicer base unit, which is what will be rotating the juicer, and that's the electronic component of it. On the base you can see, like, this is how you would attach the jug to it and then remove it. And on the base you'll see this white small dot, which is to indicate where you need to put the juicer jug on and then turn to put it into position. So very cool and very light and simple to use. So going back to the packaging, you have 5 levels of variable pump control. You have 2 different sizes, and then pump control, and this 500 milliliter jug. So let's see where the pump control is. On the actual jug itself, you have these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you have this arrow that points up, and that shows what setting we have it at. So 1 is for less pulp in the juice, 2 is for a bit more, 3 is for more, 4 is for more, and 5 is the most pulp in the actual juice when you're juicing as well. And then obviously you go right to the end and you use that to basically remove the jug itself. So very simple. And now let's wash it and try it out. So I'm just going to quickly wash it for the first time, and now let's try. So here I've got 2 oranges cut into half, so 4 pieces, and I'll be using those with the citrus juicer to see how much juice we can get out of this. So I've got it already in place. All I have to do is get the orange and then put it on top of the actual juicer, and it will begin spinning. So really cool, and you'll see straight away the juice is starting to come out, and that's a lot of juice actually. Very surprising, and it's using minimal strength or force, so it's very fast actually. And let's look at the inside, and then just a bit more. You'll see the motor actually changes direction as well, so this time it's going in the opposite direction, which is really cool. And there we have it. So that's the inside of it. Now juicing the second half of the first orange, and now the first half of the second orange, and then the second half of the second orange. So that's all 4 slices done. And now let's pour that in. And this was about 300 milliliters of juice. Look at that. It looks really good. There's no extra bits. It's very smooth. And I love how you can just pour directly from the actual jug. So no need to remove the lid or anything. And then you can, once you're done with the orange juice, you can put it in for washing. So that's 1 full glass of juice. Pretty neat. So we just put it back, and that's the finished product. And honestly, it's performed a lot better than I expected it to. And I did clean this after. And it's very easy to clean. There's no juice that's splattering anywhere else. So overall, very impressed with this juicer. And the cool thing is the base of the jug does not get any juice on it, so you never have to worry about washing that either. Now it's time to enjoy. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.